Hi, Dr. Michael DiMattina, Medical Director at Dominion Fertility. First, Happy New Year to everybody. So I've been doing IVF for a long time. IVF started in the United States in 1982, and I've been doing it since 1984 and produced many thousands of babies. Dominion Fertility likes to stay on the ultra cutting edge of medicine, and recently we have another first that we've been involved in. So part of the IVF process is taking the embryo and putting it into the lady's uterus, and then we hope it implants. And indeed, by doing that, we have about a 50+% probability at our facility that the embryo will implant, right? But what about how can we get the implantation rate or the pregnancy rate higher? There was a test that came out several years ago called endometrial receptivity assay, also known as ERA. And we were one of the first to get involved in ERA. The company that came out with this test is called iGenomics out of Spain. I kid around with patients and tell them this is like the reproductive NIH. They're really high quality, very, very good in reproductive research. So they put together a research project. It was a multinational research project, 3 continents of 13 IVF centers around the world. Dominion was one of them. We were one of the 3, I think there were 3 in the United States. We have now completed our study. So what we found out was when we do the endometrial receptivity test is that not only can we tell you if the endometrium is receptive or pre-receptive or post-receptive, we're the first in the world to report that there are good bacteria inside the uterus and also bad bacteria. And this is what our findings showed. So we're hoping that we can refine the endometrial receptivity assay and take it to a new level, hopefully this year, so we can further increase the likelihood for implantation and a baby. And that's what it's all about. I always kid around and say, show me the baby. I'm very proud of this because to have the opportunity to participate with a research company, reproductive research company like iGenomics, and that we're increasing the knowledge that's so important, the insight that's so necessary to make your chances of having a baby improve year after year. I love it. So I want to tell you about this. You'll hear more about it. Our paper will be published at the end of this month, and it's been accepted at a very reputable reproductive research journal. And so you may be hearing about that from me very soon. Happy New Year, Dr. DiMattina at Dominion Fertility.
Dominion Fertility, making miracles happen, one family at a time.